How do you choose the best desk chair for your body? Well, experts would say you don't want to conform your unique shape to a one size fits all chair. Well, most chairs are one size fits all. So let's talk about this. Maybe you suffer from back pain or your back hurts or aches when you sit down all day. But did you know that the right kind of chair can actually reduce and relieve your back and neck pain and provide the utmost comfort for you? But not just any chair. What if there is a unique, completely customized chair that has actual science behind it? You know, a chair that's made personally for you, your body, and your specific pain concerns. Experts would also say that only a chair custom built to match your specific body shape can really, truly provide relief from back pain, headaches, neck or shoulder pain, leg pain, and tailbone pain. Not only that, but instead of having one or two things you could actually adjust, what if you had 12 points of posture control you could adjust anytime you want? We're talking total customization to you, to your body, and to your workspace. What if you could customize your relief and your comfort in 60 seconds? Well, from this website here, you can actually identify your pain areas, your body type, and how you use your workstation. And this company will actually build you a custom chair and then let you try it out for 30 days. To learn more, either call this number or visit the website bestchairforme.com. And you can find a link to this website right below the video here. If you scroll down, you can click on that and go there and learn more. Also, feel free to pause this video and read some testimonials of some of these satisfied customers of these custom ergonomic body-built chairs. Several branches of the United States government also use these chairs, and some of the top universities in the country do, as well as 30% of the Fortune 500. But again, this is about you. To learn more, either call this number or go to this website here, which you can find right below the video, and learn more.